Welcome to our final lecture on the queue module. We have covered the FIFO-queue. Now we explore the LIFO-queue, which stands for last in, first out. This structure is more commonly known in computer science as a stack. The Python queue module provides the LIFOQueue class for implementing this behavior. 1. Understanding LIFO. The LIFO principle means the last element added to the structure is the first one to be removed. Think of a stack of plates. You always take the top plate, which was the last one put on the stack. Stacks are fundamental for tasks like managing function calls, which is often called the call stack, and for undo mechanisms. 2. Creating a LIFOQueue object. We create an instance of the LIFOQueue class. Note that LIFO queues, like the standard FIFO queue, also support the max-size argument for creating a bounded structure, although here we keep it unbounded. 3. Testing LIFO behavior. We use the same put and get methods as the FIFO queue, but the internal logic is different. We put items in the order 1, 2, 3. When we call get, the output confirms that action 3, delete, which was the last item put in, is the first item retrieved. This reversal of order is the definition of LIFO or stack behavior. To summarize, LIFO queues are ideal for processes requiring reverse order access. This concludes our module on inbuilt data structures. Our next section is encapsulation using decorators, starting with Lecture 39.01. Introduction. See you there.